Been through a lot, you'd think by now I would've lost my spirit. For so long I couldn't find the music, but now I hear it.
Good morning, friends. I figured before we head out today, let's unbox the lucky bag that I got from yesterday. It's so big. Anyway, we're heading to America-Mura today, and I know there are a lot of cute shops and thrift stores, so I wanted to keep in mind what I have. I guess what I got from the lucky bag, so I don't have any repeat purchases like the last time. Anyway, so I figured I would go through it with you, and I know there are 12 items in here. I just don't know how they look like or what they are exactly. So let's figure it out. It's huge. This bag is heavier than the last bag that I got, the last lucky bag. And so the first thing that I see, and I think is so cute, is this bucket hat. I like the color, very neutral beige. It would look so cute somewhere by the sea. Okay, next is a top. Oh, perfect. I needed more tops for underneath. And it looks like it's a tank top that has lining or padding already. Oh, this is gonna be perfect for layering. How cute. Next we have another top. Oh, it's like one of those mesh tops. That's actually really nice. And then you can like actually pair them together. Okay. I think this one will fit okay. I'm not sure about how the sleeves will go. Okay, next. Oh, that's right. So I think one of the items in the bag is a set, and that's what it looks like here. So let's open it. So the set comes with a tank top. Again, perfect for layering. I'm not sure how I feel. This is like this crepe. Oh, it feels like crepe material. This is the first one of the things that I don't know if I like how it feels. I'm such a texture person. Oh, I see. But the top goes like this. Next we have, oh, this is I wonder if it was supposed to be cropped, but I think this will just fit just right. Oh, okay. It has a high neck. I'm not sure if high necks will work well for me, but still nice. The sleeves are a bit poofier, and then this is how the end of the sleeve looks. Not bad, not bad. There's more, of course. There's more, of course. Oh my gosh. Now we got oh, interesting. Another cardigan. This one has another high neckline and stripes along the sleeve. Okay, again, smells like it came out of someone's closet for a while. Next is another top, but it's cute. Look at this. It has like a pearl detail on it, and it looks like this. Next, I hope this fits me okay. Got a stretchy waistband, but it is a very long black skirt. Very simple. I wonder if it's supposed to be high-waisted. Long black skirt. Not sure how I feel about that one. I feel like it might be too long for me. Next we have, oh cute. It's like a baby doll top or dress. I'm gonna go with top. Yeah, baby doll top. Oh, that could be easily layered. I really like this. Okay. I can't believe we're not done yet. Next is, oh, another dress. I hope this will suit me okay, because it feels like it's like a mermaid dress. Oh no, this might not be flattering on me. I'm not tall enough to ride this ride. I'm surprised we got a pair of jeans. I don't know how I feel about this color though. So it looks like we have a pair of high-waisted, wide-leg jeans. I just don't know if it'll fit me well and if it's gonna be the right length for me, but I'll give it a try. Last one is this trend trench coat. Whoa, what? Okay. Will this fit me? Oh, and it comes with a belt. It says free size, I believe. It says F. It's a huge trench coat. Actually, I don't know if it'll suit me. Anyway, for $60, I think what I got was a steal. I feel like there are some misses in this bag. I didn't expect everything to be something that I really liked, but there are a lot of items that I think I could see myself wearing. I'll have to give them a try another day because we're about to head out, but I hope you enjoyed unboxing that with me, and that was so much fun. I think this is what the fun of lucky bags feel like, because you never really know what you're gonna get. Hello everyone! We are now in Shinsaibashi, and I kind of have a sense of where I'm supposed to go in terms of where America-Mura is, but honestly, it was going to be a fun walk around this part of the town and see what we can find. I don't have access to Wi-Fi or my Google Maps, so we're just purely wandering and hopefully finding some good shops and just enjoying and exploring, and it's such a beautiful sunny day. Okay, this is the street that I'm walking on. I already see an 𝐒𝐴𝐜𝐢𝐚𝐥𝐬 and I saw some vintage shops on my right. It's like One Piece trading card store. Oh, I guess it's just trading cards. I was trying to figure out if there was One Piece figurines in there because that's what my brother's asking for, but let's figure out where we're supposed to be first and then go into shops. Okay, I found a Gashapon place over there, so let's head that way. Okay, let's head into the Gashapon place. I like how I said I wouldn't go in until I found out where it was. I just want to see. Wow, this place is huge and empty. Wow. Look how cute these are. Let's see what other ones we can find. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's kind of cute. And then they have this makeup one too. And I hear this one is popular. Guys, what? This is so cool. Famous hair brand, and Honey has one too. Wow! I still can't find the one that I was looking for though. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. The Beatles and David Bowie. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a pouch, but I'm just trying to consider which pouch I want. Cause the fuzzy pouch is the biggest one and it's cute. And then there are other pouches that I would like as well, but let's go for, I think I'm gonna go for the fuzzy pouch because I can fit more stuff in it. It's either the bear or this one because I would like this. We're gonna try the food one. I think I got fried rice. Ah, I saw the pink one too. Ah, the pink one would have been close. This is all the ones you can get, and I'm pretty sure I got fried rice. Oh, this is a bigger pouch than I thought. Holy cow, what? I got fried rice. I wanted the pink peach, but this is big. Look at, okay, now that I realized it was a bigger pouch, I probably would have gotten the bear, but that's okay. You're probably wondering why I chose a pouch. It's because I want something for all like the gadgets I carry with me for my DJI. I think they'll fit in there, so yay, practicality. You put your open gacha. Okay, let's go walk through here. I'm gonna finish walking the street and then go around. There's this like little pathway here. I did it. I'll show you. Just walk through there. Okay, came across this Vivie Vintage used and clothing store. Let's go inside. I have like a whole section right here. 50% off. No way, it's Notre Dame Fighting Irish. You know, compared to some of the thrifting I've done in the US, that was quite pricey. So let's keep walking. Wow, this is called Rubies. Okay, I guess let's see how the prices are here. I left that Ruby store and I kind of like the prices of some of their tops. And there was a skirt I quite liked, but we'll see. I want to keep looking and see what else I can find just in case. Now I'm just lined with a bunch of shops on the street. So I think I found where I'm supposed to go. Shops on this side. And then there's shops here. Go in here. They have one of these. It feels like the OG Gashapon. I used to collect stickers as a kid. Guys, watch the gremlins. Guys, I found America-Mura. I was just around the corner from this major street here. This place is lined with so many used clothing streets. Crazy. You could really shop for a while here. I'm just kind of walking around now. This is the other side of, like the other side of the street of where I was, the Gashapon was. I don't know, guys, maybe I'm just a mall person. Ah, this looks so pretty. See, there's a Gashapon place I was at right there. It has Wi-Fi, and I think I might go in and try to wash my hands. I'm out of hand sanitizer, but they also have secondhand stores here, so let's check them out. Hi everyone, so I left Big Zep's mall and I figured I'll just get something as a snack to warm up. Luckily it stopped raining, so I'm just gonna walk over to Ralph's Coffee and hopefully if it's not busy I'll head in. I'm kind of hungry and the only thing I've gotten so far is souvenirs for myself and my siblings, and just kind of walked around. So let's head towards Ralph's Coffee. Hi everyone, I just wanted to say thank you for joining me on this vlog. I'm getting a bit tired, so I'm going to meet Jason at Don Quixote to pick up some SIM cards, and then I will see you on the next vlog. Thanks again, bye everyone, see you on the next vlog.